Now we're going to talk about using wildcards in MaxScript path names. So we saw an example of this right here. This asterisk is a wildcard. It means it doesn't matter what's in the name there. Anything at all will work. So here we have another example. This would be any name that starts with neck. Here, because we have a wildcard both before and after, this signifies any name that has foot in it anywhere. It doesn't have to start with foot, as long as it has foot in it somewhere. So let's try an example of this. I'll just use this line here. I'll erase that output. Come down here and get this statement as a starting point. Control-C to copy that. And Control-V to paste it. I'll just call this xArray equals $, asterisk, ox, 1, star as array. So this is going to give me all the objects that have ox1 in their name and put it in this x_array. So now how about for I equals 1, 2, x_array.count, do x array square bracket I dot wire color equals red, and hit enter. I forgot to highlight the whole thing there. So highlight it and hit enter. And here we have those boxes. Select them and take a look at their names. It's box 1-0, box 1-1, box 1-2, all the boxes that have the 1 in their name. You can also use the question mark to match just one character. So for example here, instead of asterisk ox1 asterisk, we really could have used question mark because we really only need one character in each case because of the way that our boxes are named. So let's change this to 2 just to get a different result, and I'll call this Y array and hit enter. Now I'll go down here and change this to Y, and I'll change this to green and highlight and hit enter. And as expected, these are all the ones whose name starts with 2. So again, this says any name that has any given character, single character, and then ox2, and then any other single character. Whereas when we had asterisks, we could have had multiple characters in there, even though we didn't take advantage of that in this case. So those are the wildcards, the asterisk and the question mark, and they're often useful for referring to groups of objects that happen to have predictable names. In addition, you can use them for specifying parent levels in a hierarchy. So for example, here we have a dummy object that says everything that is a child of the dummy will be referred to by this name. And that's as far as I'm going to take the wildcards at this point.